So most of the time, I like fixing equipment. I like working on things. So I usually tend to lean towards just fixing it myself. Or even if we're adding a new piece of equipment or new IT or anything like that, I enjoy figuring that stuff out, and I like doing that myself, and it can save a lot of money. Um, but if you get when I get in areas where I'm less familiar, or we need electrical done, let's say, or we need plumbing done, I could do tiny electrical projects. I could do tiny plumbing projects, but not pulling a lot of wire, not laying a lot of new pipe, or installing a furnace or a water heater. That's getting to where you have to have inspections done by the city to make sure that everything's right and working properly. And so when you get to that point, then that is when I decide, okay, I need to hire this out and get a professional in here that knows what they're doing and can do this the right way. When it comes to other things that are smaller projects and jobs, like fixing a piece of equipment, like we just had a fan, one of our makeup fans for our paint booth went out, and it was just, that fan is really old, and it finally cracked enough that it came off of the hub, and so the fan wasn't spinning anymore, and we had to get that fixed. And so those particular jobs are harder to find someone that you could just hire out to fix. There isn't necessarily a company out there that all they do is fix exhaust fans.